Greetings from TaiyangNews. I am Santoshi Thakur. We are at Intersolar Europe 2026 at 3 years booth with Nadja Portner, who will explain about her products. Hi Nadja.
Hello. Hello everyone, nice to have you with us today. We are at Intersolar in Munich and our company is 3S, Swiss Solar Solutions. We are a company who produces and develops building-integrated solar products in Switzerland. What I want to show you today is our new color selection we can offer you for your projects on facades or roof projects with building-integrated solar solutions. So we provide a active and protective house for you, which also produces energy, and we make it even nice in colors. So if you have a building who has some requirements to meet, for example color brown, we have a selection of brown colors to meet your expectations.